can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta.
Don't skip this video because we've got 3 mind-blowing custom Tacomas waiting at the end that will completely redefine what you thought possible with this legendary truck. Welcome to Steel and Style Garage Channel, where we turn ordinary trucks into extraordinary masterpieces that command attention on any terrain. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Toyota Tacoma modifications, exploring everything from subtle enhancements to extreme overhauls that push the boundaries of automotive customization. If you're excited to see how versatile this incredible platform can be, make sure to hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and share your own Tacoma dreams in the comments below.
That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man.
We've gathered inspiration from across the globe to bring you modification styles that range from street-dominating stances to wilderness-conquering beasts, all while maintaining the reliability that makes Tacomas so beloved. Whether you're planning your first mod or looking to take your build to the next level, this comprehensive guide will give you the vision and knowledge to create something truly unique. So buckle up and prepare for a journey through the most creative Tacoma transformations you've ever seen. The JDM stance style transforms the rugged Tacoma into a street-hugging masterpiece that combines Japanese aesthetic philosophy with American truck heritage. By dramatically lowering the suspension and adding negative camber, we create that unmistakable, tucked wheel look that has crowds stopping in their tracks at every car meet. Custom wide-body fenders accommodate those essential deep-dish wheels, while giving the Tacoma an aggressive stance that completely reimagines its traditional profile. Finishing touches include JDM-inspired lighting mods, subtle hood vents, and those iconic Japanese brand decals that pay homage to the style's origins. What do you think about this fusion of cultures in your Tacoma build? We've seen incredible viewer submissions combining vintage JDM wheels with American muscle-inspired paint schemes that create something entirely unique. The beauty of this style lies in its precision. Every millimeter of ride height adjustment and wheel fitment is carefully calculated to achieve that perfect balance between function and form. Remember that achieving the perfect stance isn't just about lowering. It's about creating harmonious proportions throughout the entire vehicle while maintaining enough practicality to enjoy driving your masterpiece. Transforming a Tacoma into a muscle-inspired beast requires embracing the raw, unapologetic spirit of classic American performance while maintaining the truck's functional versatility. Start with the aggressive hood scoop that hints at the enhanced power plant beneath. complemented by a deep, rumbling exhaust system that announces your arrival long before you're visible. Bold racing stripes running from hood to tailgate create that iconic muscle car visual language, while wider stance wheels with meaty tires improve both the aesthetic and handling capabilities. The color palette typically draws from vintage muscle traditions. Think deeply saturated blues, reds, and oranges, with contrasting black accents that emphasize the truck's powerful lines. Have you ever considered giving your Tacoma this nostalgic yet timeless treatment? We'd love to see your muscle-inspired builds in the comments. The interior deserves equal attention with performance bucket seats, a short throw shifter, and classic round gauges that complete the muscle car experience every time you slide behind the wheel. What makes this style particularly appealing is how it transforms the everyday utility of a Tacoma into something that delivers visceral driving excitement while still being practical enough for daily use. This modification approach celebrates American automotive heritage while creating something uniquely yours, a perfect marriage of past and present automotive cultures. The Euro-tuning approach to the Toyota Tacoma introduces a level of refined performance and understated elegance rarely seen in the truck world. Drawing inspiration from European automotive philosophy, this style emphasizes clean lines, precision, engineering, and a perfect balance between aesthetics and functionality. The suspension receives a moderate lowering treatment, not as extreme as the JDM stance, but enough to improve handling dynamics and give the truck a more purposeful appearance on the road. Premium wheels with a motorsport heritage replace the factory options, typically featuring multi-spoke designs in brushed silver or anthracite finishes that showcase the upgraded brake components behind them. What Euro-inspired modifications would you add to your Tacoma build to achieve that perfect balance of sophistication and capability? Interior upgrades focus on driver engagement and premium materials. Think Alcantara steering wheel wraps, carbon, fiber accent panels, and recalibrated gauge clusters that prioritize performance data. The exterior maintains much of the Tacoma's original silhouette, but refines it with subtle aerodynamic enhancements like front lip spoilers, side skirts, and a barely noticeable rear diffuser that improves stability at higher speeds. This approach creates a Tacoma that feels equally at home parked outside an upscale restaurant or carving through mountain passes with precision and confidence. The luxury VIP-style transformation elevates the humble Tacoma from utilitarian workhorse to statement of sophisticated opulence that turns heads for entirely different reasons. Start with an immaculate paint job in deep metallic or pearl finishes. Think midnight black, royal blue, or champagne gold, complemented by tasteful chrome or brushed metal accents that highlight the truck's natural body lines. The suspension receives a moderate drop for that perfect stance, while oversized wheels with slim profile tires fill the wheel wells completely, creating a commanding presence that communicates exclusivity and attention to detail. Interior modifications are where this style truly shines, with hand-stitched leather upholstery extending to every surface, genuine wood or piano black trim panels, and ambient lighting systems that transform the cabin into a mobile VIP lounge. Have you ever considered giving your truck the luxury treatment? We've seen some incredible viewer submissions that completely reimagine what's possible in a pickup interior. Sound systems receive comprehensive upgrades, often featuring audiophile grade, components hidden behind custom panels that maintain the clean, uncluttered aesthetic that defines luxury builds. The key to a successful VIP Tacoma lies in restraint. Rather than flashy modifications, this style emphasizes quality materials, perfect execution, and subtle customizations that might go unnoticed by casual observers, but create an undeniable sense of exclusivity and refinement. The result is a Tacoma that challenges preconceptions about truck culture while delivering an elevated driving experience worthy of the most discerning enthusiasts. When budget constraints disappear, the Tacoma transforms into an engineering marvel that pushes the boundaries of what's physically possible in a pickup platform. We're talking about complete chassis rebuilds with tubular space frames, carbon, fiber body panels, and mid-mounted engine conversions that completely redefine the truck's weight distribution and handling characteristics. Custom fabricated suspension systems with active damping technology provide otherworldly off-road capabilities while maintaining surprising on-road comfort through complex terrain mapping software and predictive adjustment algorithms. The powertrain options become truly exotic. Imagine a twin-turbocharged V8 producing over 1,000 horsepower mated to sequential transmissions borrowed from racing technology, all controlled by motorsport-derived engine management systems. What would your dream build include if budget wasn't a concern? Share your wildest Tacoma fantasies in the comments below. The exterior styling transcends conventional automotive design language with hand-shaped aluminum panels, active aerodynamic, elements that adjust to driving conditions, and lighting systems utilizing the latest OLED technology to create distinctive visual signatures. Interior solutions blend luxury with functionality through custom-molded carbon fiber seats, augmented reality heads-up displays projecting critical information across the windshield, and intuitive control systems that adapt to driver preferences over time. This is the realm where the Tacoma ceases to be merely a modified production vehicle and becomes a rolling showcase of automotive innovation limited only by imagination and engineering expertise. The futuristic Tacoma concept transcends conventional automotive design, embracing cutting-edge technologies that feel transported straight from science fiction into reality. The body structure utilizes advanced nanomaterials that are simultaneously lighter than carbon fiber, yet stronger than steel, with self-healing properties that maintain the vehicle's pristine appearance despite challenging conditions. Adaptive aerodynamics respond in milliseconds to changing driving demands, deploying or retracting various elements to optimize efficiency, stability, and cooling based on real-time computational fluid dynamics calculations. The powertrain combines next-generation solid-state batteries with compact hydrogen fuel cells and high-torque electric motors at each wheel, delivering instantaneous acceleration while maintaining zero emissions and a theoretical range exceeding 1,000 miles. How do you imagine trucks will evolve in the coming decades? We'd love to hear your predictions in the comments section. The interior showcases haptic holographic interfaces that float within reach of the driver, eliminating physical buttons, while providing tactile feedback through precisely focused ultrasonic pressure waves. Seating surfaces adapt their shape, temperature, and firmness continuously to maximize comfort during long journeys, while advanced sound design creates personalized acoustic environments that can either enhance the driving experience or create peaceful sanctuary-like silence. This concept represents not just a modified Tacoma, but a fundamental reimagining of personal transportation. A vehicle that serves as both a practical utility platform and a technological showcase that anticipates the evolving relationship between humans, machines, and the environment they share. The ultimate off-road Tacoma transformation begins with a dramatic suspension overhaul featuring custom fabricated long travel systems that provide both incredible articulation and unmatched ground clearance for conquering impossible terrain. Massive portal axles raise the differential housing well above the center line of the specialized beadlock wheels, which come wrapped in aggressive 40-inch mud terrain tires capable of climbing near vertical surfaces. The body receives substantial modification with high-clearance fenders, integrated rock sliders, and a custom front bumper housing a 16,000-pound recovery winch, while the undercarriage gets comprehensive protection from quarter-inch steel skid plates designed to slide over obstacles that would destroy lesser vehicles. External roll cages provide mounting points for auxiliary lighting, communication equipment, and recovery gear while offering critical protection during extreme articulation or potential rollovers. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the diverse world of Toyota Tacoma modifications. We hope this video has sparked your imagination and given you ideas for your own build, whether you're drawn to slammed street style or towering off-road monsters. Remember that the most important aspect of any modification journey is making it your own, creating something that reflects your unique vision while serving your specific needs. If you enjoyed exploring these Tacoma transformations, please support Steel and Style Garage by subscribing, hitting that like button, and sharing your thoughts and build plans in the comments section. Until next time, keep pushing boundaries, breaking conventions, and building trucks that make you smile every time you press the start button.